Here we are now in the garage, and the Murray is gonna hopefully start, and if it does, we're going for a little trip, heading up to Spring Hill and doing our annual fall romp. So yeah, that's not a Ranger, so I guess I might as well show you. This is my 2002 6-speed Cummins, and just what you'd expect. Got all the normal problems, but this is the best part. Not that I'm missing a panel, but the inside of it is quite clean. Besides somebody getting in with dirty boots, but it's pretty good, and there's lots of room. So that was the main selling point on it for me. So I got rid of the Ranger. It's definitely not mint, and it's definitely seen better days, but just for an old truck to use, it's not too bad, and it sounds pretty freaking cool. So that's that. Let's go see if the Murray will start. So here it is. I haven't had it going since that last video, which was only short, and I know it was sort of sad because you guys wanted to see more. So hopefully today we can either break something, watch somebody break something, or at least go for a drive. So here goes. Oh, come on. It would at least whirled over last time, but that was like a couple weeks ago. Wow. She's dead, folks. I mean dead. That battery charger obviously doesn't have much juice in it. So I'll keep farting around with this, and fuck's sakes, eh? Oh, maybe the battery charger wasn't making contact. I'll give it another minute. In the meantime, I'm gonna go start the 220 here because it hasn't been running in a while. Hopefully I shut the gas off. No, I didn't. Colder weather, gas just sitting in a bike isn't necessarily a good idea around here. So not bad. 2 poles. I'll let it run for a minute. Then I'll shut the curb off and let her just die. That way there, the gas isn't sitting in it. Come on, baby. You want to go for a drive just as much as I want you to. I think the choke off is out now. Come on. I really would have thought that this battery charger could roll over a motor. Quite sad, really. Well, we're up here at Ryan's trying to get my tractor going, and it still won't go. But we got like 3.3 amps charging on the battery, which means I would say that the battery isn't taking much charge. Chris is over here getting his mower thrown together. Hope you don't mind being filmed. That's good.
He'll have 2 channels. Dead channel.
Yeah. And then Ryan's here having some pop and getting his machine ready to go.
Yeah. Oh shit. That's fucking seeds. Long seeds.
Chris is gonna redo everything that he did about 10 minutes ago.
Oh, it's calling him. Tell me. Anybody need parts?
He told you after, eh? Oh yeah, let's have a look at Ryan's parts shed here.
Oh yeah, Jesus.
Yeah, holy fuck. Oh, last time I saw this, it was all neat and tidy. What happened?
Project's by project.
Yes, sir. He needs about a shed double this size. He's got it geared up, that's for sure. Got power out here, air, any socket you need. Carburetor's up the arsehole. So what did you break this time, Chris?
I the fuel pump backwards.
Holy fuck, you gotta take the shroud back off?
I do.
That's nice.
Yeah, because I got the pump bolted to the...
Oh, from the inside. And let me guess, the lines wouldn't reach unless you unbolted it and moved it.
Well, I had this from here.
Oh yeah.
Now I gotta find a longer bolt now.
Holy fuck. Well, we're gonna be out of here at some point, boys. This is Chris mower here, and it's got the spicer in it. Or spicer, yeah. Probably gonna break it. What do you think, Stan? Well, let's try the Murray again. I want to know if it's gonna go or not. Oh, I killed the power. Now it says fault. Well, it started it. It's running. We're getting ready to go here now. Just as soon as we get Chris's mower back together, then we're all set.